Have you ever wondered how a terpene sprayer turns liquid into a controlled mist? It begins with a reservoir where the aromatic liquid is held before use. From there, a pump or trigger draws the liquid forward and sends it through a nozzle. What this means is that the liquid is not released in one heavy stream. Instead, it becomes tiny droplets which spread more evenly across a surface. The nozzle matters because it shapes droplet size and spray pattern. Liquid thickness, pressure, and nozzle design all influence performance. To put it simply, each part affects how much liquid is released and how consistently it is delivered. Regular cleaning is important as well because buildup can change the spray pattern over time. When the parts stay clear, the sprayer works more predictably. And here's why that matters. A controlled mist helps keep application uniform, efficient, and easier to manage. In short, a terpene sprayer is a simple tool with practical engineering behind it. If you want to keep learning, explore more at Terps USA.